Here's a product I received from XMCOSY. It's a 2-pack smart wall light that I am looking to mount on this back wall here because I have pool equipment, and a lot of times we want to go in the spa in the evening and we always have to get our phones out with our lights to see where the heater's at on this pool equipment. Because we have a light here that doesn't really work, it's kind of dim, and I'm looking to fix it with some brighter light and maybe setting the ambiance of some different color lights when you're in the spa. I received this product about a month ago or two, and I did a review video on this, and they gave me 4 of them to put in my front yard, and I love this product. I love the way it worked, the way the lights looked. I ended up buying 3 more boxes to put because I have a massive front yard, and I put these things all in my front yard, and I'm very excited to be reviewing this new product because like I said, I'm happy with the product and the company. All right, so let's unbox it. Okay, so you got 2 lights here, 3 wires coming out each side. You have your instructions, which I will read thoroughly. Some hardware. Not too much in the box, which is good. It's not too technical. Shouldn't be too hard. I'll come over here and show you this light. Here's the light. So it lights up here. It looks like it lights up here. A little LED. It's kind of like those LED strips that you have in your kids' room, if your kids have those. Material feels about the same as the other product I put up. Nice and sturdy. It's plastic here. Maybe this is like, I don't know, hard plastic or aluminum. Got your 3 wires. There's your mounting. So basically, I'll pop these off here to mount this, run the wires, and then I'll be able just to snap the light on. So yeah, I mean, 2-pack smart wall light. You can hook it up to your phone with the XMCOSY app, I believe. So basically, you hook it up to a app. You have Alexa or Google Assist. You can pair it with. You can customize the lights however color you want. So like, I go in the spa with my wife in the evening. It'd be nice to have a dim, romantic look. You know, not no bright light or disco light, but you can customize it to rainbows and all different kinds of colors. It's kind of like my string lights out there in the courtyard. It's from a different company, but it's the same concept. It seems like a lot of these companies are doing the same thing where, you know, technology, it's pretty cool. So the install is it's going to be fairly easy for me to mount one of them. It might make sense for me to mount this one here, and it might be bright enough to cover the whole pool area where I could see what I'm doing in the evening, and then put the second light somewhere else. Let's go. So here's where the other one's gonna go. I'm gonna install this one first. Look pretty nice once it's done. Take off the old one. Power has been cut. Take off this silicone, put around it. Lefty loosey. This thing's been on here since I think the house was built. Which has been a good light. It still works, but time for something more modern looking and to get with the times with the app and Alexa and all that stuff. You have your neutral, your live, black to black, white to white. We have the caps here. I'm gonna have to mount the new one. For now, I'm just gonna put this cap back on. Okay, take this old one off. You know, I might be able to reuse this actually. Nah. Unscrew this to get the plate off so you can mount it this. Looks like I could probably, yeah, unscrew these, mount that. That straight. That. Okay. Get that last one. And then, like that, you screw in the Allen wrench to mount the light. One thing I've learned about this is, thank God I am not an electrician. Fairly simple to do. The only thing I will say is they need to have more wire coming out of the product, because there wasn't much, and it was a pain in the ass to try to mount it when you're on a stool. All right, let's turn this on and see if it works. So it's blinking. What does that mean? Let's look at the instructions. Oh, I gotta hold something, I think, right here. This is probably for pairing it. Right off the bat, lit up. It looks pretty cool. I really, really like it. I will wait till the evening to film it, showing what it is. I'm going to download the app now, play with it, so tonight when I film it, I'll know exactly what to show you guys and how it works. You have the light underneath it, shining downwards. So if I'm actually barbecuing or doing something, it lights up the pathway very nicely. You have, I think for the look, but you have a light up there, so it lights up all above it, and it just overall has a nice, elegant, modern look to it, and I'm very satisfied. I downloaded the app, and I'm going to change some of these settings to show you what it looks like. So if we're doing like more of a dim look, change it there. We got the app right here. I'll just kind of stand right here over my shoulder maybe, and you could check it out. Let's do reading, working. I mean, I don't know who came up with these names, but you get the idea. This is grassland. It kind of dims. It's kind of chill. It's nice. So we're gonna go to colorful. Have a bunch of different. I mean, will I ever use these? Maybe when it's Halloween or Christmas, or maybe for like a barbecue or a little party we're having here. The video, as I'm looking at it as I'm filming, it just doesn't do justice. When I see it in person, it's way, way nicer. Halloween, Easter, since Easter's coming up. Let's see what that does. Well, wait a second. That's nice. That one's kind of cool. I think I'll leave it like that, nice and bright here, so if I have a barbecue, lights up this whole area. I actually put it on a timer here. If you go to schedule, you can add. So right now I have it coming on at 6 p.m. every single night, which you can change it, like if you want it only on one day, or the weekends if you want it to stay on later. There's all different kinds of, obviously schedule. You can change it to anything you want. So, and then you could add different ones. So like right now I have it set for this light, but like in the evening, say I can make it like from 6 to 10, and then when 10 o'clock hits, I can make it like more dimmer and more of like a night light here. And I can actually have it stay on all night. But for now, this is what I'm doing. Very satisfied with this product. It does have a lot of cool things in the app, but I'm just kind of basic, and I'm just gonna have a nice light on. I don't need to worry about it. Once it pretty much gets dark, it's gonna turn on, and it'll stay on until midnight. Check the brightness up, see, go like that all the way down. You can go all the way up, really bright, make it halfway. You can change the tone of the white that you want. So I think I want to keep it like that. The color here, of course, but I'm not gonna mess with that right now. So let me know if you bought this product. Let me know if you've had any issues installing it. And overall, let me know what you think. I'll see you on the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.